Okay, here's something that I neglected to say earlier. I don't think it's come on any problems, but it might come up in the future. When you have a diameter that is connecting to a tangent, and the point of tangency is an endpoint of the diameter, this is going to make a right angle. The tangent is going to be perpendicular to the diameter. Why that is this is actually an angle that is on the circle, and obviously we're concerned about this would be your chord or secant, this would be your tangent. So this is a semicircle, and the semicircle is 180. So when you have this intersecting here, and this is a point of tangency, the diameter and the tangent are going to be perpendicular, so right angles are going to be formed. Okay? Same thing over here. If we have a radius and it ever connects to a tangent at the point of tangency, something you might have to remember for Friday's lesson, that this radius is going to be perpendicular to the tangent at the point of tangency. And why that is we can extend this radius to make a diameter, and then this would be a semicircle, and this is an angle on the circle, so that angle, the angle is half the intercepted arc, so that angle has to be 90. All right, just short and sweet, just wanted to make sure you understood that. That might come into play on Friday when you get some like little angle puzzle problems. All right, thank you.